Good morning, people. As always, thank you for watching my videos. Well, guys, first call today is we going to a trailer park. I guess customer want the unit check for the winter. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out, make sure everything is. I think I've been to this customer before. I'm gonna try to see if I can get some shot out of this one because it's a funny looking. It's a LP gas, and it's a funny looking burner. So I don't know if you guys see it, that type, the burner before. So I'm gonna bring it in. So stay tuned. It's coming up. What I do over here, I lift this pipe up and I vacuum inside here. This is like vacuum this thing and make sure that nothing major. Went outside to check the chimney cap and it's nice and sealed. So, but man, no, the main thing you have to check every time you do a furnace like this. This hose over here, this is the intake here. They got it like a little vent coming from the need of the trailer. I shall take off a minute there. Sometimes the animals get here and they create a nest. So you gotta be careful, make sure I took it out. It's all clear all the way down. So that's all done. The pressure over here, I'm gonna do that. And my pressure, got a scale over here. Let's see. Down here in the bottom. So we're working with right there with those pressure water count. So we're doing the LP. That's what we're going to be working with, the LP. Down the bottom over here. Manifold pressure 10. Water count minimum supply 11. That's it. We're going to do that next.